Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe, join the family, hit that notification bell so you'll be noticed every time I post. And I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So the other week I made this video about how to make a banana ice cream, and many of you are asking me how I make my condensed milk, and this is where I'm going to show you. So make sure you stick by, make sure you watch till the end. Give this video a thumbs up even before we begin because I know you like it. One of the reasons we use condensed milk when making ice cream is because condensed milk has dissolved sugar and it adds the sweetness to the cream, but then it lets the ice cream freeze quickly and very well, and it does not get air bubbles because the condensed milk doesn't have the water molecules. Oh, it's a lot of science. Boil milk on medium heat, and this depends on the amount of condensed milk you want. I used only 1 cup because I wanted little condensed milk, and as it boils, keep stirring so that it does not stick to the saucepan. Once the milk is boiled, add sugar. In 1 cup of milk you can add like a quarter cup of sugar. Make sure it boils until the sugar dissolves. You can see the milk is starting to change color, and it is better you use this whole fat milk, the milk right from the cow, not this processed milk. Boil for about 45 minutes until you see the milk start to reduce to like 1/3 of what you cooked. You see the way it's becoming thick. Transfer it into a container and let it cool down before you use it. You can even freeze it and use it later. You can see how thick the milk really is. And once it cools down, it gets really thicker. This is the banana ice cream I made with this condensed milk, and you can see how really thick the milk is. It's even failing to get away from the cup. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, keep your notifications on so you won't miss any video.